Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 14th video lecture of class 2 maths. Today we will be solving this page 7 here. It has some additional problems which you have to complete, and some word problems as well. I'm gonna solve one of them here, for example, and the rest of them are for your homework, and you can seek help from your parents or your tutors too. Like the first one here, it says 1 and 3. 1 and 3 actually makes 4, or you can draw bubbles here too. 1 2 3 4, it makes 4. 8 and 1 makes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1, and if you count this bubble it makes 9, so the answer is 94. And just like that you have to solve all the other problems here too. And for the word problems here, it says in a cricket match Shahid made 53 runs, Moise made 41 runs. How many runs did they made altogether? The sign is already given here in every problem, so they are actually addition problems. So for because Shahid made 53 runs and Moise made 41 runs, so 3 and 1 makes 4, and 5 and 4 makes 9, so the total runs made by both of them are 94 runs. The rest of the problems, like 7 questions and 2 word problems, are for your homework. You can get help from your parents or your tutors too. And if you still have any problem, leave a comment below the YouTube video, and I'll just get to that. Until next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.